wanted to come on here, and I know it's during the holidays. We're all very busy, so thank you for watching. And to all my new subscribers, wonderful. Thank you for subscribing. I want to pop on here and just show you a little tweak I made to my Fossil Sydney satchel that made it so much more usable for me. And it's, you know, as we know, we love the Fossil Sydney satchel. It's a classic. And I love it too, but I noticed that I really wasn't using it as much as I expected that I would. And the main reason is because the original strap is very thin and thick. Thick this way. But it's very thin, and it really cuts into my shoulder if I try and wear it as a crossbody. So then I switch it over to being a shoulder bag, which is a little bit better, but this is just too thin. I don't like this shoulder strap. So what I did is I took the shoulder strap off of my Coach signature chain hobo that I didn't like on that bag, but I put it on my Fossil, and it's a perfect shoulder strap. It's so much wider. I'll show you the difference. Look at that. It's so much wider, and it's very soft and flexible, so you don't get that weight on your shoulder. And it just attaches on the side by sticking it through the hoops and then feeding it through this and the little pegs. So I wore it with this on it, and it just made it so much more comfortable and wearable. So I think I'm going to get a lot more use out of the bag now. So I just wanted to show you guys, don't be afraid to mix brands. The leather matches really well, both black, both kind of a textured but not quite pebbled leather. Let's see if I can show you guys that. So it just matches really well. This flower is so cute. I got this off of Amazon, and it's just a little leather flower bag charm, and I'll try and link that below for you guys. I think it adds a nice Christmassy touch. But this way I can get so much more use out of my Fossil Sydney satchel, and it has a new strap that I wasn't using on the other bag. And so don't be afraid to mix brands, mix straps, make your bags work for you. You don't have to use the strap that came with it if it's removable. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.